Lawa joto media no ambai yapayo. Jini 44 ang beli block committee ni president by akhe ang misal YTF central committee ni secretary ya jo media ma pha. Kau khe lai thangnai 19th November o je जनजाति सुरक्षा मंच ये जे Christian जिनी brothers and sisters जिनी ताकुम खुतुना जिनी Christians रौनो जे ST facilities नि जे ban खेना ST certificate cancel खेना हिंजे ब्राउन नि जे काउ साखलाई मो आबनो बारी के स्नियो we strongly condemn it to such a immature and dirty politics game played by the Janjati Suraksha Mancha. We strongly condemn it. If they are there enough, if Janjati Suraksha Mancha is there enough to organize a protest rally on 25th of December during Christmas, if they are there enough, as a YTF, as a youth TIPRasa, I would say that most welcome. Abono chung san na yo. Jini जनजाति सुरक्षा मंच मा हलाबो जिनि बिश्वजित ताको फायर सर्विसमैन बिश्वजित देवन मानो नागरिक सुरक्षा मंच आरो जे ब्रुटली खे ओ साउथ तुइ के बुठा मखे बु निनि आंफो के बु जनजाति सुरक्षा मंच हिंक्रै जनजाति सुरक्षा मंच के अब सुदु केहा एकटा पॉलिटिकल प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ बीजेपी पार्टी नि केहा पॉलिटिकल प्लेटफॉर्म Aboro chini tiprasa no Hindu Christian Muslim sinye saye jung be jono phelerie jono sakawo chakhlo ni naimoni game abo jongjo to tiprasa ro sin nangnai not only Christians even those who are Hindus tiprasa chini tiprasa Hindu tunai chini takhum khuro pho abole sithainawo jong emnes already minority jongno jodi se religious minority group hiye Christians here to know one ke khao ya ke jini Hindus here khao ya ke jong oro jini number simjang thangnai abon bo e ang sanim chu je Manipur je gotona ungmo abo Tripura o experiment khene tanai di hor jongnai hor abo je broi whoever maybe I don't care abo broi spo ang sni abo no Sini pun naya Janjati Suraksha Mancha ni abo mau habo post tong abo nai pun naya kintu she is totally immature lady I would say ekdom ek number bat par khasiya keha burui yung ye bung sang no educated person he bung consider kyo bin mentality nung tre keha ne kau bai ke ni tre keha chabi bai ke ni abo mkhun Abon about ye sanim chu phedi chung tiprasa ro we must stand as tiprasa and we must die as a tiprasa chung tiprasa ung se ba chani nangnai chung thuipho tiprasa ung se chung thuini nangnai not as Christians not as Hindus not as Muslims not as nini Buddhists obodin kheya chung je dharma khe tumpho We must live as Tiprasa. We must die as a Tiprasa. Abo se chini kau maunai. Jong sara Tripura wo tongo bo sara Tripura ni je peace and harmony je chang khe tonglai mo bo sorbos tong sala femono do not try to disturb. Bono disturb khene tanai di. Nong pa daito tinang thampu o nong Janjati Suraksha Mancha. Arey what do you mean by Janjati Suraksha Mancha? Suraksha manet ma jotono safe jotono mane drawe tin man bose kinini Suraksha Mancha ong nali ki Suraksha. Nang nong decision lapio BJP ni neta ro be sakna Agartala ne aju tunai ro be sakna Rampodo Jomatia be sakna mada kharab Rampodo Jomatia. Gian krui RSS nini no o kehapho thangye malaya ongye nongnon nijeni smang long polton nij chawe ma thini na rampodo on bage chong joto Twiprasa chung kau ba tona chung bai chung no je chini machine je politics abono chung hokmano chung khasile na am ba epedi let us all live together. We do respect all the religions, as India is a secular country, as Indian constitution is secular. Therefore, whoever lives in India, we have a freedom to choose our own likes religion. I can follow my religion. I like Christianity, so therefore I am Christian. It doesn't mean that somebody can forcefully convert me into Hindus or Buddhists. Not like that. India is a secular country. Therefore, we have the right to choose our own religion. India is secular country. Abon e bagai chini adhikar je janjani hami amon dharma kheni chini adhikar to abo do not try to violate Indian constitution, Indian ain no nos dokheni tanedi. Therefore, we must live peacefully and harmoniously. Let us all stand up and protect the constitution of India. Jotona hambai asuno kau sasine khaksa.